Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you LockedIn AI review. Is it worth it? LockedIn AI is an AI-powered interview prep platform designed for job seekers, ranging from fresh graduates to experienced professionals, offering real-time coaching, technical support, and post-interview analytics. Its strengths include live AI voice guidance during interviews, behavioral and technical preparation, and a smart resume builder with ATS keyword scanning, supporting over 42 languages for multilingual practice. The platform boasts a polished UI and frequent updates, making the interview process interactive and insightful. However, it comes with steep price, typically $55 to $70 per month, a limited free version with only 10 practice credits, occasional technical glitches, and a strict no refund policy. Overall, Locked-in AI excels in providing a comprehensive, AI-driven interview experience with real-time feedback and analytics. Ideal for serious candidates, though casual users or budget conscious individuals may find it less accessible. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.